And here is Reed again. This is October the 12th, 2011. He's looking at his mobile and he's a happy boy. And there he is. He's got the hiccups. But he's a happy boy this morning. Hi, Reed. Hi, Reed. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Can you hear the hiccups? And he's got his OU socks on. Show him your OU socks. See? They say OU. Yeah, he's going to talk a little bit. Hi, Reed. Hey, buddy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.